Hello everyone, Larry back with you again here at St. Nick's Farms, and I really do appreciate you joining us for this video today on the channel. What we're working on is wiring to the sawmill shed, and I've already done a little bit of preparation. I've got the lights already up, and we're going to be today wiring the circuits into those lights and the switches to the little switch box that I've got installed here. And if we get to it, and I don't know if we will or not, I'll try to wire the main circuit on up to the house so that we can get to power down here instead of running it off of our extension cords. So that's what we're working on. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. Give us the thumbs up. Comment down below, and as always, share it with a friend. So come on folks, we got a lot of work to be done today. Don't know if we'll have the time. The days are getting shorter. So let's get to work started on wiring up the sawmill shed, and I hope you enjoy the video. For the circuit going to these lights, I'm using 14-2 wire with the ground. Not very much amperage being pulled by these lights, and you may notice that I am wiring it in with plug-ins on the lights. The reason that I'm doing this is to be able, in case I ever need to replace one of the lights, I won't have to worry about rewiring it directly into the circuit, but just a matter of unplugging it. And I really like to do it that way. The plug-ins that I'll be installing here at the sawmill shed, I'll be running 12-2 wire on them with the ground, 12-2 with the ground, and will not even be running 240 volts, only running 120 down to the sawmill shed. A couple of plug-ins and these lights, basically all that I will be having down here at the sawmill shed. At this point, I'm installing one of the plug-ins for the second light. These are two LED lights that I have installed, and they really do a great job. They're very bright and light up the area tremendously well. And as I said again, what I'm doing here is tying in one of the plug-ins going to the second light, and in a little bit you'll see me tying in the second plug-in, or I'm not showing that on this video, but I'll have the second plug-in tied in, and then we'll be tying all of this in to the breaker box that I've installed down here at the sawmill. I'm getting ready here to staple all the wiring into place, and this particular stapler that I have has a very strong spring in it, and oftentimes it takes me both hands to discharge the staple into the wood. I just want to make a note here that this electrical panel that I'm wiring into right now, and you can see me wiring into one of the circuit breakers, it does not have power fed to it yet, so there was really no danger working around on the inside of this panel at this point. You might notice also that this breaker panel doesn't have a main breaker inside of it. The main breaker for the sawmill will be in a distribution panel inside the main house, and I'm not using very much power out to the sawmill. Basically just a couple of plug-ins and these lights that I'm wiring in at this point is all the power I'll be pulling. What I've done here is I've broke the hot lead going to the lights, and I will break that circuit with the switch when I get the switch installed. Well, that adds a little bit of light to the subject. Got two of them in place. Lights up the sawmill area pretty well. I want to thank you for joining this video today here on St. Nick's Farms. I appreciate so much your being with us and being one of our regular viewers. Thank you so much to those who have subscribed already. I really do appreciate that. If you will, leave a comment down below. As always, if you like the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with a friend on YouTube. So, thank you again, folks. Hope you have a great one. Hope to see you the next time. This is Larry. Bye-bye, everybody. Take care. See ya.